How to find removed friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find removed friends on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can just go to the chats or the friends section. And now here, once you are inside the section, you can just tap on the search bar at the top and you can just type the username or name of the person that you have removed. And here, if you have previously chatted with them, you might still find the old conversation in a chat list unless it was deleted. And there, once you find the person that you have removed before, you can just tap on add button to add them as a friend. And here you can also check the quick add section on Snapchat where removed friends may sometimes appear. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.